is the goal of this war is deterrence, nuclear rollback, or regime change? And which one is the most realistic? Because one of the key questions for the people in the region, especially Iranians, and more particularly the Kurds, they still don't understand whether regime change is in the plan or not.
Well, honestly, we don't understand that in Washington either. Donald Trump has not been very clear, and this is why, from the perspective of Iranian Kurds, I would be very, very cautious because Donald Trump isn't saying what he wants, why he needs them, or offering concrete promises that this isn't going to be another 1975 or, more recently, another Rojava.
Then if the Kurds, if it is not clear for you from Washington, what the Kurds should ask from the United States so that there will be guarantees, at least, for example, because we also have good experience with the United States and the international community in 1991 when they established no-fly zone. And you have recently also asked for no-fly zone for Rojava.